So this would be daytime walk into the volcano. We did it last night. We walked to the cone. Cones are more active during the night. You could see the red flame, the red fire. Not so much today. We've quiet down during the day. So just got the sunset. Now we're just gonna walk back in. Not sure if we're gonna go to. Maybe we will go back to the pool, but this time a different one. Pretty cool. You going fun? You hear that? That's the sound of a volcano. Right. Could feel the heat from this fresh lava. I think 2 weeks ago we had an eruption. A massive cone over there. That's why again, as I said, it's crunchy because of the fresh lava. Some parts are not as solid, could sink in if you're not too careful. On the days will be the flowing lava that you could have seen just prior to the eruption 2 weeks ago. Okay, that sound. This is in the heart of the beast right here. Alright folks, this is real action here. You could still see fumes coming out of those rocks. So let's see if we can get a bit closer here. Go. You the guide, huh? You're like go, 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 and you steer. Yan yung neat. Stand in the crater of an active volcano. At your own risk, but it's a wonderful experience. Oh yeah, pretty cool.